And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
So we've had some big hail today in Canyon City. The largest report was 2 inches. Thanks, Sydney, Michelle, for sharing your pictures of the hail. Also to Chris. And if there wasn't those 2-inch stones falling, it was just pea-sized hail everywhere. Penrose and Canyon City both had that 2-inch hail report. Beulah Security at 1 inch. And we've had lots of small hail today. That small hail just also occupied with this heavy rainfall. Street flooding was the status quo for pretty much all of El Paso County, much of Pueblo County this afternoon. Even starting from this morning, we had active weather. So over the past 24 hours, we've had a ton of rain, especially really along the Highway 24 corridor from Colorado Springs at the airport, Fort Carson, Fountain, up through Falcon, Peyton, and up through the county line. So we've had at least 2 to 6 inches of rainfall in this zone, and that is record breaking. So Colorado Springs so far today, 3.97 inches of rain, blasting away the old record of 0.69 inches from 1989. Now, if you take our 2-day rainfall total, it's 5.44 inches. That blows away the old 2-day record in the Springs of any time of year of 3.6 inches back from September 14th and 15th of 2011. So it's been since then that we've seen this much rainfall, and it's the most rainfall Colorado Springs has seen in a 2-day time span in history. So we do have another severe thunderstorm warning. I was concerned about this storm in Los Animas County. This warning will be in place for at least another 30 minutes, passing Highway 350 right now. And this is the same exact spot where they saw 2-inch hail yesterday. So rinse and repeat for Los Animas County now. For tomorrow, we are still seeing a chance of showers and thunderstorms for our region, but they are going to greatly diminish in intensity. 67 for the Springs tomorrow, 73 in Pueblo. So the good news, we start out dry on Tuesday. We'll have some sunshine, but those clouds will redevelop and we'll stay on the cool side. Again, 60s and 70s, and more thunderstorms develop by the lunch hour just west of the interstate initially. Then they'll push through I-25 between Walsenburg, Pueblo, Colorado Springs, Monument, into the eastern plains through the afternoon and evening. There is a slight chance of some severe storms tomorrow, but the vast majority of us will not see the caliber of which we saw the storms today. We're dialing it back in intensity. We're losing some of the jet stream energy that we had to work with today. And thunderstorms tomorrow will wrap up around 10 o'clock, very typical timing. Temperature-wise, right now we're in the 50s, 60s. Alamosa, dry in the 70s. Now tonight we'll drop to the 30s, 40s, and 50s. And then for tomorrow, 60s and 70s. So staying on the cool side for Tuesday with still some stormy conditions. Just a few isolated thunderstorms Wednesday, and then we dry out Thursday, 80 degrees, finally back to our average high for mid-June. And then maybe an isolated thunderstorm Friday with a cold front that takes us down a few degrees. But by Father's Day weekend, looking lovely. Sunday, 83 in the Springs, should be a nice day to spend with Dad. For Pueblo, we're talking 70s for one more day. Couple thunderstorms tomorrow, not as strong as today's. And then we'll have 80s through the end of the week, 90s for Father's Day weekend, and to start next week early. Canyon City, we're talking low 70s tomorrow, still with those showers and thunderstorms. Not as much of a severe weather threat, so likely not going to see a repeat of that 2-inch hail tomorrow. 80s return for us from Wednesday onward, Monday, 90. Finally, for Woodland Park, we are going to see temperatures gradually climb for you as well. Thunderstorm chances hang on a little later into the week, but Father's Day weekend is looking nice in the middle 70s.